Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Akshita and you're watching Akshita's Glam. So Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Akshita and you're watching Akshita's Glam. In this video, I'm going to share with you all a Pics art editing tips. There are many tips, so I'm going to make parts on it. So it is not possible to show all the editing tips on one video. So yeah, without wasting any time, let's jump into the video. So I want to give this picture a shadow effect. So just go to sticker and type shadow. You can choose as per your choice shadows. I really wanted a shadow should be like window shadows, so yeah. After taking a shadow, fix it to your picture and then just blend it and choose multiple, reduce opacity, and here the effect is. In this picture I'm giving neon effect. Nowadays it is very trending. Everyone put big lights and taking those pictures, but in Pixar you can do easily editing. Simply you have to go on draw and then just take whatever colors you wanted to and spread it. After placing a color, I am taking transform just to make it bigger, and then I lighten it by overlay, and then other part I am using two colors. So I'll take empty layer, then yellow color, and same as I have done for red one, I'll do same as for yellow and transform it, then again overlay. I hope you guys like it and it's helpful for you. If it is, don't forget to subscribe and like this video and share as much as you can. So that's it for the video. Thank you for watching.